again, parents, teachers, adults, people with kids. I wanted to do a little video series on a new product I found. I was really excited when I found this. I think you'll see why. You'll love it. It is called Illustory, Design Your Own Book. And that obviously intrigued me. Design your own book. It's about writing. It's helping kids write. It's a package. So I was excited. And I took a look at it, and it is by a company called LULU. Now, LULU is one of those companies I've talked to some parents about already. If you don't know them, I'll put some links in the notes for this video. LULU is an online service that allows you to upload your manuscript and order books, and they ship you the books. It is what it has been called a vanity press. It is not really a publisher. They do not do anything with getting your books into bookstores. They don't get your books to Kindle or any of the other online stores, anything like that. It is really to get your books printed that you can then do whatever you want with. And what makes that great is if a kid writes a book, then the parents obviously can help, and they can have an account at LULU. They can upload their manuscript. They can get their book printed, and you can get some copies of the book, give them to grandparents, things like that. So obviously that's great. But one of the other aspects of writing that I love and I am pushing is that kids can use their skills for writing later in life. But starting now, writing now gives them the experience. So when they do become adults, that they have that experience already. And that is way more important than going to school or studying for a degree for writing. Getting that experience will help them a lot more. So while you can use LULU, you can use the old methods of, paper punch, put some string in there, and hey, you got a book, right? Get a book report cover, put the pages in there, hey, you got a book. What makes this unique is that the kids write their story, they draw the pictures, they send it in. There's an envelope, you send it in, and they get a printed book back. It's a real book you put on a shelf with a hardback cover, everything. So it's kind of the next step. If you've done the paper punch out and put the string in there to tie the book together or stapled it, right? We've all done that with our kids. This is the next step. And I think that's important because it excites kids. It looks like, oh my gosh, I'm a real published author. And that little push, that little kickstart helps them to feel like, well, I need to write more stories. I can do this. Look, I've got a book. Believe me, they'll tell everybody, I've got a book. I'm a published author. And that's all true. They are way more than some people I know that are adults. So this is why I love this package. So